Want to speak English fluently at home? Then your kitchen is the best place to start. Let's learn common kitchen words with example sentences. Stove. I cook rice on the stove. Oven. She bakes cookies in the oven. Frying pan. He fries eggs in the frying pan. Pressure cooker. My mother uses a pressure cooker to cook meat. Pot. I boil water in a pot. Pan. She fried fish in the pan. Sink. I wash dishes in the sink. Tap. Turn off the tap after use. Plate. I eat lunch on a plate. Spoon. Please give me a spoon. Fork. He eats noodles with a fork. Knife. She cuts vegetables with a knife. Glass. I drink water from a glass. Bowl. She serves soup in a bowl. Cup. I like tea in a small cup. Lid. Cover the pot with the lid. Grater. I grate carrots with a grater. Peeler. Use a peeler to peel the potatoes. Cutting board. I chop onions on the cutting board. Blender. We make juice in a blender. Mixer. She uses a mixer to make cake batter. Toaster. He toasts bread in the toaster. Tongs. Use tongs to pick up hot food. Strainer. I use a strainer to drain rice. Tray. Serve the snacks on a tray. Jar. She keeps sugar in a jar. Jug. The jug is full of water. Rolling pin. My grandmother uses a rolling pin to make bread. Apron. I wear an apron while cooking. Dish. I cleaned all the dirty dishes. Towel. Dry the plates with a towel. Napkin. Please give me a napkin. Bottle. The bottle is filled with oil. Can opener. Open the can with a can opener. Rice cooker. She cooks rice in the rice cooker. Garbage bin. Throw the waste in the garbage bin. Timer. Set the timer for 20 minutes. Tupperware. Store the food in Tupperware boxes. Whisk. I whisk eggs with a whisk.
Spice rack. The spice rack is full of jars. Ice tray. Put water in the ice tray.
Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.